Managing a warehouse isn't easy, especially with batteries, chargers, and forklifts that need maintenance at different times. If information isn't up to date, you'll have technicians trying to figure out what needs work instead of, well, getting right to the maintenance. Or worse, that maintenance will be way overdue. Add that scenario in several warehouses, and yikes. There's gotta be a better way to organize. Meet Fred, a customizable app that helps you track equipment maintenance with a tablet or smartphone. Add a handheld scanner for more productivity. Scan barcodes to link equipment to the system. Assign it to a facility, section, and class. Set a maintenance schedule, and Fred takes care of the rest. Fred creates a checklist of maintenance tasks for your technicians. To update a task, tap on the screen or rescan the barcode. That's it. You can even customize a technician's access to exactly what they need. Did your tech run into a problem that couldn't be handled right away? They can add it to the whiteboard feature to schedule the repair. Fred also works without internet, uploading new data when internet is available. With Fred, managing your warehouse data is simpler than ever.